In this video, I'll show you a very quick and free method of how you can bulk apply texture to your t-shirt designs all in one go. So to get started, all you have to do is click the link in the description and it'll bring you to this homepage of MyDesigns, which is the tool we're going to be using today. Then all you have to do is click on sign up right here and then enter your email address and a password. Then you'll be set up and ready to go and you can sign into this workspace right here. And then to get started with the texture, you just click on listings over here, then on home, and then hit this little plus symbol over here to create a new collection. I'll just call this one apply texture and then hit create collection. If you've just started out, you won't have a lot of folders like me, but you want to locate it and then click on it, and then you can hit upload over here in the top right corner and then drag and drop all of your files into this. Hit upload designs, click upload again, and it'll go through and upload each one for you. So there is actually an upload limit on the free account of 1 GB, but I believe that might also be going up soon to 2 GB, and that's definitely way enough space to bulk apply texture to many files, hundreds of files in one go. And I believe you can also, once you're done with one set of files, delete those and then free up some space again that way if you wanted to. Once that's done uploading, you'll see all of your files here within the collection that you just created, and you can click this button right here to select all of them and then head over to more actions, image utility and image effect. Then you want to select the output file slot, which I'm just going to use mockup 1 to begin with. Then you have the option between lots of different effects. Basically, you can see a preview of each one here on the side, and if we scroll through, you can see there's different types of textures that you could apply. I'm just going to show you an example of this grunge effect. If you generate a preview, it'll show you on the right hand side of what that texture would look like on your specific design. You also have half tones. There we go, that looks really nice. Once you've found a texture that you really like, you can then also decide whether you want the texture to be cut out of your design or if you want the texture to be added in a certain color. So if we select black right here, the texture just has a black color over the sunset, which is another option, but I would recommend just going for transparent. And then all you have to do is hit add image effect, click continue, and it's now added that job to our job list on the right hand side, and it will run through each one of these. Might take a little while, especially if you have lots of designs, like hundreds of designs at once, but you can still use MyDesigns for other stuff meanwhile, or well, do something else, create a new design in Illustrator if you wanted to. And once that's done, you can take a look at your texture designs by going up to file slots and changing that to mockup 1 or whichever output you selected. And as we can see, this is our sunsets with the texture applied. If you wanted to export these files right now, then all you have to do is go over to more actions, download as zip, then just select the file slot that you want to download, click download as zip, and it will quickly combine all those files for you into a zip file and download it to your PC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it can save you a lot of time in the future while you're designing your t-shirts. And if you also want to know how to make money with MyDesigns by uploading digital downloads to Etsy, then I recommend you check out this tutorial where I walk you through my process.